Today we're at 11938 Longwood Drive in Pensacola. This is on the west side of Pensacola by NAS in Grande Lagoon. Entering into the house, you start off in the living area. Turn to the left, you can see your dining area. We'll go across the dining area and enter into the kitchen. Stove, dishwasher, and refrigerator in this kitchen. See your smooth top stove there. Walking through the kitchen and turning back, we'll show you the rest of the appliances. Turning back to the left, you'll see your den or family room, fireplace there. Access out into the backyard. We'll go through the family room and down a short hallway, and you'll see the 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. It's the hall bathroom, tub shower combo, vanity. Coming back out of this bathroom, we'll turn to the right and you have your first of 3 bedrooms. Overhead ceiling fans, laminate flooring throughout. Come across, nice size window in this bedroom, large closet. Coming out of this bedroom, we'll continue down the hallway into the 2nd bedroom. Nice ceiling fan in here as well. Double closets in this bedroom. And again, the laminate flooring. Coming out of this bedroom, we'll go back to the family area and go across and look at the master bedroom. Again, you can see we're back in the family area. Walking across. To the left will be your entrance out into the garage, double car garage. And then straight through will be in the master suite. Turning to the left, oversized master closet, walk-in closet. Turning back to the right, you can see your double vanity here. And then walking through here, commode and shower are in a separate room. Turning back, walking through, will be in the bedroom area. Again, this is the master bedroom, overhead fan, and then another access out into the back onto the patio area from this bedroom. So a lot of lighting in this bedroom. We'll come across and show you a shot back toward the master bathroom area. We'll walk out of the master bedroom. We'll be back into the family room. Then we'll have the kitchen on our right. Living room, family room on our left, there with the fireplace. Take a step down and show you a shot of the patio. And then across the patio, you see your entrance back into the master bedroom. Again, this is 11938 Longwood Drive in Pensacola. It's offered by Barron's Property Managers. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You can see this property on our website at barronspm.com, or you can call our office at 850-934-2588.